Other groups will say buy the breakout. Not here, not in our group, not in this YouTube channel. What we do is we say you want to buy once it breaks its previous high, which is right here. And you need the 4-hour candle to close above this level for you to enter the trade. So if you were to enter the breakout, which I don't recommend, guess what? It came up here lower than the resistance level, came down, retest. Did you enter? Hope not, because it needs to break this. Came down, retest. Did you enter? Hope not, because we need this. And now it's doing this. And how long is it going to do this until finally it breaks up? So this is why I always say, do not buy the breakouts. For example, right here, this was from another group. They said, buy the breakout. They don't care about you guys. They don't care about you, period. They will post charts left and right just so that they can have some winners. Post it on YouTube, post it on Twitter. Look at us, guys. We're doing all these gains. Look at our group. Join our group. They don't care about you. Here, I said they didn't have this level, but I saw this level. I said, no, you don't want to buy the breakout. Here's a level right here. If you do buy the breakout, guess what? And sure enough, it happened. Did I know it was going to happen? No, but we had a high probability that it might happen, and it did. And then sure enough, you would be holding this coin or been stopped out all this time. This is why we don't buy the breakout. This is why we enter. This is our main level right here. It needs to break above this level. We even have an alert right here. Boom. We're not messing with this coin until it breaks our alert. Now what we can do, we can actually get our alert. Move it here. Why? The break of the most recent previous high. Once it breaks this level, now we can enter the trade knowing that we have a zone right here and another one. But still, you know, we're reducing our risk, increasing our profit, reducing the time we're in a trade because of the strategies that I teach. Now, granted, I teach these strategies for free on YouTube. I don't say, you know, look at these results, look at these results. Here's a chart setup. Here's a chart setup. If you want to know how we do this, join the VIP. No, the way I do it is I show you the stuff that I teach works so that when you see this, you're like, man, he's giving all this out for free. What is he doing in the VIP? If you have money, stop messing around, do the VIP. If you don't have money, don't worry about it. I'll show you how to do this stuff for free on the videos that we have here. Watch what we do in the VIP. A lot of thought process, We do screen shares. We do chart reviews. You know, people post charts. I do a video on it, drawing and telling them my thought process on it. So not only does that person learn, but everybody else can gather that information. Plus we have videos and everything else, but the main and charts. And we don't post charts left and right like everybody else. Like I said, right now, this week, we have 3 that are long and 1 that's a short. A minute for you. I don't want to post 20 charts a day so that you can hopefully get one that works. No, because I'm ruining you. I want to show you what I do works. Everything that I say is from experience. This is what's going to save you so much time, so much money, and so much effort. Like, it's super important. Now, if you're in the VIP, I have videos that are 3, 4, 5 minutes long on average. If you want to make money, I will show you how. I would offer the free group, but it's already full. I have a huge wait list. So more than likely, if I do let 3 or 4 people go, the spots are filled. Not only that, but when people do sign up for the VIP because they're making money in the free group, I am very, very invested to make you money in this free group so you can get the VIP. When those people leave the free group and get into the VIP, well, there's just so many more people that are trying to take their spot. I would strongly recommend getting the VIP. You're going to make money. Now, granted, none of this is financial advice. It's never hopes and dreams and empty promises, nothing like that. See what I do. See if this makes you money. I give you my real life experience based off of my trainings, based off of my teachings, what I would do at that moment versus what everybody else does, because they want to sell you their course. They want to sell you all that stuff. I show you that my stuff works. Do we win? Yes. Do we lose? Sometimes. That's part of the game. But what I do is I show you all this so that you can see, oh man, I lost today, but Joe said he lost too. So it's okay. That's what I want you to realize, guys. If you like the content that I provide, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and leave me a comment in the comment box. And I'll see you on the next video. And as always, let's make this money.